Question number 2. If y is directly proportional to x and y equals 5, when x equals to 2, find the value of y when x equals 7. Okay, so the condition is given y is directly proportional to x. So we can write the connecting equation y equals kx. And either we can use here the proportion method. So let's go how could we solve this. The value of x and y is given, that is x equals 2 and y equals 5. And you have to find the value of y when x equals to 7. The condition is given since y is directly proportional to x. By using proportion method, we can write y2 by y1, x2 by x1. Now incorporate all the values, that is x equals 2 and y equals 7, and for further next step y equals 5 given, and you have to find the value of y. If you solve this equation, you can get y equals 7 by 2 multiplied by 5 and 17.5. This is easy. You can use the proportion method or either construct the equation of direct proportion y equals kx, then incorporate all the values, then you can get the value of y. Okay, then go to the next one. Number 3. Given that y is directly proportional to x, copy and complete the table. Some values are given for x and y, and you have to find the other values, complete the table. So we have to consider these values first, because here x and y is given for both the value. If you get both values, then you can find the value of k. So how we could solve this? Write the condition, that is y is directly proportional to x. Then you can write the equation y equals kx, where k is constant. And the values are given, x equals 5, y equals 30. By using these values, you can write the equation 30 equals k multiplied with 5. Then if you solve the equation, you will get the value of k equals 6, y equals 6x. So this is your connecting equation with x, y equals 6x. By using this equation, you have to fill the table. Then you have to find the value of y when x equals 4. When x equals 4, then you can use y equals 6, 4, because of the connecting equation is y equals 6x. Then from here you can find y equals 24. Then when x equals 7, you have to find the value of y. When x equals 7, you can write the connecting equation y equals 6 multiplied with 7, and you will get 42. And what is the another value? When y equals 48, from this table we can see the value of y is given 48. You have to find the value of x. Same, by using same equation you can find it. When y equals 48, we can write the connecting equation 48 equals 6 multiplied with x. And if you solve this one, you can find x equals 8. And finally, you will have to find the value of x when y equals to 57. Construct the equation. When y equals 57, the equation is 57 equals 6 multiplied with 6. Then solve for the value of x. You have to find the value of x. If you use your calculator, then you will get the value of x is 9.5. And finally, with all the values, you have to fill up the table and write the final answer here. This way you have to write all the values and complete the table. This is the answer of 3. Done.